kung nasa man si Papa. Sa mama mo kahit na. Hindi siya nakapunta. Pero si Papa mo, alam kong nakikita niya tayong dalawa. Nararamdaman ko na masaya siya para sa akin. At lagi natin siyang kasama. Habang buhay.
Ay, awakay! Ganda. Thank you, Pangga!
Thank you, Pangga. Baka ang mahal na ito, ah. Pangga, this is it, Pangga. Ito na yung pinaka-hintay na moment sa ating dalawa. I chose you since 2017. I choose you now. And I choose you forever.
Ang pag-ibig ay nagtatakip ng lahat ng bagay. Ito ay naniniwala sa lahat ng bagay, umaasa sa lahat ng bagay, nagbabata sa lahat ng bagay.
Ay, ano ba yan siya? Uy, naiyak na ba siya? Uy. Mamaya na muna umiyak ulit. Uy.
Let's go back and paint up the hills. The colors may run, but we can be still. And the sky will break through the leaves like an old tapestry. And we can just be as we fly on, just like we always do. Fly on, forever is better.
That it was the love of that husband that brings out the best of that woman. This love that is patterned from God will bring out the best in each one
It's
of
better
you.
with you. The seasons were kind in
So,
spite of the
Pangga,
storms.
ito na yun. Ito na yung pinakahihintay nating dalawa. Dumating na. At sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi ang ganda ng weather na binigay niya sa atin. At sobrang excited na ako na makita ka mamaya.
Fly on, just like we always do. Fly on, forever is better with you. Ooh, it's better with you. Whoa, whoa, there's age in your eyes, but the fire is warm. Whoa, in spite of the storm, as we fly on, just like we always do. Fly on, forever is better